So in this video we will learn another thing that is going to be what? That is going to be HTML. That is HTML, and why we are going to know HTML? We will know in this video. So we are going to simply know HTML in one video. So let's start our video. So by starting our video, first of all you have to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, so I will be motivated to create the videos. And let's start. So share with your friends and learn. So first of all we will know why we are going to learn HTML. We are going to learn HTML because we have to be a web developer. The first language is HTML. So what is HTML? HTML equal to, what is going to be HTML? HTML equal to a structure. For example, there is a building that have a structure with the words like this. That will be a structure. I will show you an example. Structure of an home or flat. After writing this, you will going to come in the images, and as you can see, first we have to create the map of the house. But the map of the house, so that will be called what? That is going to call HTML. So where we will do HTML, we will know. We will going to call VS Code. So click the code.visualstudio.com. I will give the link in the description too. So we are going to wait. As you can see here, we can see the page. So if you are in Windows, like Windows 7, Windows 8 to 11, you can download VS Code. But in the Windows 7 you cannot. But there is a technique, you can use another one. Here as you can see, you need a 64-bit processor, and if you have an SSD or a graphic card you can, but I have. So if you have add-on, so you can. So if there is a Mac OS or Linux, that can use too. You can click to the download for Windows and download it. So after downloading, you will be able to install it. The basic information will be asked from you, and they will go to VS Code. First of all, what you have to do, you have to click here in the desktop, left click. You can, like, what I will do, I am going to come here. I will store by, wait, like this. That will be empty. So what I will do, I will come in the start bar and right here, File, Explorer. Click here and full screen it and come to the desktop, and you have to create here and one more folder. You can put in the desktop or another file. I like documents, I will put it in the document, or music, or any other two, or pictures you can say. So I will be going to open what? Desktop, and here I am going to create a folder and name it HTML tutorial in easy way. Enter. Here we go. So after doing this, your half and half work has been completed. So come back in the desktop, and you have to click to the HTML tutorial in easy way and left click on it and go to show more option and open with the code. You can simply click select and click shift F10, and that will be option, the more option. So now full screen it, and here you go. So what I am going to do, I will come here and click here and view disable all extensions, so you can know what I am going to do. Your interface looks like this. There will be a welcome page. I will write a welcome. Now there will be an, you have to close it simply, and you have to come here and create here something like this. I will open it. That's your what? Explorer, and that is your main work where you are going to do the work. So simply what you are going to do, you have to click here the HTML file like this, that will be selected, and then click to the new file or double click here and write here your file name. So simply to create an basic simple file, you have to know a basic thing. What? You have to create a document or any other thing. So simply there is just what I am going to do. I will put my VS Code here and the desktop here and open my HTML file. So as you can see, my HTML tutorial file has been opened. If I come here and create a new file, that will be called any name with the .html. For an example, I want to create what an file of HTML. So I will write any name or any letter or any word or any number and then .html like this. Index.html or 1.html, 0.html, subhan.html, code with sr.html. For example, I will call index.html and then enter, and here your index has been opened. Now write the code. Simply after doing this, you have to come here in the extensions. Coming into the extension, you have to call here what? Live server. Live server. After clicking live server, click here and you have to first of all download, install it and enable it simply. And come here, you have to write here one more thing, that have to be VS Code icons. Write a VS Code icon, install it and enable it. And there will be a theme. So simply you can put the GitHub or C++ theme. I will write a HTML dark HTML. Okay, HTML theme. You can call the basic dark HTML theme. Right, copy. You can write it, and then you have to click to the install button, and simply it's done. After doing this, you have to click basic dark HTML theme and come here back, finish them, and simply minimize it, full screen this, and done. So you will got an interface looking like this. Okay, and now what you are going to do, you are going to do a basic thing here. What is that basic thing? I will tell you now. So simply you have to write here two or three things, like three things. So the basic, there is a thing that called doctype. What is doctype? Now I will tell you. Doctype equal to an basic structure of HTML. There is a structure of HTML2 that is called doctype. You will write here doc, and then enter. There will be a doctype 2 and click here explore and then. And what I am going to do in optimizer. Wait. Control plus light. Now here, as you can see, there is an interface looking like this. So now what you have to do, you have to know what are that. So here is an HTML doc type, that is the ending of it and the starting, and then there is an head equal to, there will be the meta tag and your tab name, and then there will be body where you are going to do all of the HTML work, and there is the HTML ending. As you can see, there is all tags ending. These are tags. You can say element or tags too, and there is an head and body. So as you can know, you have to notice that there is an HTML head body tag. They have two tags, without and slash and with and slash. With and slash, that is the ending of it, and without, that is starting of it. But that are called starting and ending tag. But you, in the meta tag, you can see there is no more. They are without slash. So that's called self-closing tags. In the title, what you are going to do, click to the document, and you can write here HTML tutorial in easy way for SR. You can write your name too, save it, and you can go live here too by clicking the go live button. So after doing this, you are going to be wait for a second, and you will see a magic. As you can see, there is a new tab here in your Google tab. As you can see, there, what I will do, I will finish all of these things, and you can see HTML tutorial in easy way, the code with that. And there you go the index.html, and there is your port. So here you will see the main thing, the result of your work. Come here, go back to the VS Code, and what you are going to do, you have to write here, you have to know first, you have to know the heading tags. What are heading tags? You are going to know. The heading tags equal to heading 1 and heading 6. These are the tags. I will write here H1, enter. There will be an H2, enter. HT, enter. H4, enter. H4, enter. H5, enter. H6, enter. These are the all tags of the heading tags. In H1, you can write here hello. Like you can write Subhan for my subscribers, Azim. You can write here Rehan Pathan, Rehan Pathan, and you can write many more like more. Save it, and as you can see, the result is here. That is the biggest and that is the smallest. In each way you can come here back, and these are completed. Now you will know the plain text. Plain text equal to an paragraph. If I write here P and write here hello world, how are you? That look like this. After doing this, I will going to do another thing that will be little bit different. So what we will learn now, we are going to learn now the another thing that is going to come after paragraph, that is an basic font and a little bit more styling tags element. Now you can write basically here font and write here hello world. In the first font without slash, in the place of slash you can write here color. You you have to write color like this. That's the spelling of it. Color is going to be red. Oh my god, there's an magic. The color has been red. Now leave that. We will know one more text. B. If you know the word or word, MS Word, Excel, you have to know about bold. Bold equal to B, the web development languages. If I write a HTML is nice. HTML is nice like this. That's bold. And if I write here one more tag, that's I tag. In the I tag, I will finish that and come here slash save it. There we go, the italic part. If I want to underline it, you will write U and that word come here U. That's underline 2. If I come here and write here a simple word only O, sub, and end it here, the word is up. And if I write a sub equal to subscribe, save it, and that's down. If I want to cut it, so I will write here and basic print div. Wait. Well, okay, wait, del. So after writing del, I will end it like this, save it, and that the word had been cut it, as you can see. So that's the basic text of it. So after that, we are going to learn the input. What is input? Input is an statement here to write in the Google page. Here you can see I am writing in my keyboard. You can hear the sound, but there is nothing writing here. To write any word, you have got an input to write your output. In that, after writing input like this, the interface will be looking like this, and you can write here anything you want. And you can write here subscribe, and you can hit the bell icon button and hit the subscribe button too, and come here, change the type like password, the form equal to password. If I write here email and write here an property of word name, that will be email. There will be many options. Select my email. If I come here and call here, but simply finish name right here, tell, and here you go, like telephone number. If you are not, so you can write a number, and you will got here and minimum and maximum number, and that is infinite. You can see. Come here back, you can write a color. After writing color, you will be got an input looking like this. You can put on your choice like RGB, HCL, hex, and only of that. That you have to select any color, click this. You need this color, click here, and you can copy if you want, like different color this color, and there we go, that. And you can zoom to, like you can see the colors are changed, and you can take your extension button colors like this. Come here back, you can add many more things. There is one more property, placeholder. In it you can write hello, choose your password, not choose, write your password here, save it. Come here, password, save it, and like this. After doing this, we are going to know one more property that is going to be disabled. Now you can write nothing here, and you can write here autocomplete 1 2 3. And wait, finish autocomplete. You can write here, what was that name I want to what that was the text, that was a title. You can write here title of password. What password? Now if you hover it, there will be an option of password like this. The last and BR and HR. BR equal to break. After that you can nothing add here because there is an break, and you can write here HR 2 and horizontal line. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new content. So take care and Allah Hafiz.